close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy this next video. It is a cook with me video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what videos you guys would like to see next, and I will talk to you guys later. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.